Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Wealthfront to external bank, full guide step by step clearly. To begin the withdrawal process from Wealthfront to your external bank, log into your Wealthfront account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the dashboard section. On the dashboard, look for the Money tab and select it. Under the Money tab, find the Transfer Funds option. Click on Transfer Funds to proceed to the next step. You will be presented with two options, deposit and withdraw. Select the withdraw option to initiate your withdrawal. Next, choose the account from which you want to withdraw funds. If this is your first withdrawal, you may need to add your external bank account. Click on the option to add external account. Enter your external bank's routing number and account number. Make sure to double-check the information for accuracy. Once you have entered the details, click on Continue. Wealthfront may ask for verification through your bank account. Follow the prompts to complete the verification process. After your external bank account is verified, return to the withdrawal section. Specify the amount you wish to withdraw. Confirm that all details are correct, including the external account information and withdrawal amount. Click on the Submit button to process your withdrawal request. You will receive a notification confirming that your request is being processed. Typically, it may take a few business days for the funds to appear in your external bank account. You can track the status of your withdrawal within your Wealthfront account. If you encounter any issues, consult the Wealthfront support section for assistance. By following these steps, you can easily withdraw funds from Wealthfront to your external bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.